In this video, we'll be showing you why you can't find your booking information. Booking information may not be appearing for two reasons. The first thing is to check the dates of the events, as they may have been altered if the event has had to be postponed for any reason. First, make sure you're logged in as an administrator. Then from the main navigation, browse to Admin, Events, and then select either the name of the event or select Edit from the Manage menu. Confirm that the start and end dates and times for the event are correct. The second reason is the Purge Data date. This date is automatically set to 90 days after your event end date, but may have been manually amended. Or this date may have passed, and in accordance to the GDPR laws, all information will be being deleted in line with the Purge Data date stated, regardless of the event date. So parents will be able to buy a ticket and fill in product questions such as name, class, allergies, etc. But if the Purge Data date has passed, this information will be immediately deleted and unfortunately is not recoverable. A warning message will be visible for this on your main events page. Make any amendments to these dates as necessary. And then click on the Update Event button. And that's it, you now know why your booking information is not showing. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.